practically in MySQL. So first thing I need to do in MySQL is to use the database. Without using the database, I can't do anything. I can't proceed even. If you want to see the list of the database, fine, you can give the command show databases out here. Show databases will give you out the list of database which are there actually. So here the master one is the working database. Okay, so I am not creating once again because you know it. Okay, so though even I am giving it create database. Okay, suppose say create database master. Okay, then what is happening out here? Then say master is already existing. Okay, so master will not be taken in this case, so I am giving master 3 out here, so it will be accepted. Fine, so this has been created. So once this has been created, you can use master 3 in order to create the tables and all over here. So I am not going with the creation of tables and all, you know that how to create it. Okay, use master 3. Okay, so master 3 has been changed. Okay, so once the database has been changed, you will be able to create the tables. Okay, however, if you want to remove the database, you can give this command out. Okay, what is that? Drop. Okay, drop database. Okay, and drop database. Okay, and drop database master 3. Okay, so master 3 will be removed from here. Okay, so in the list now master 3 is not appearing just now. Okay, master 3 has been removed over here. So how could you understand? You can see the show database command out there, databases. So you will see that it is not appearing here. Okay, so master 3 is not appearing. So I am taking help of master 1 right now. I am just using the master 1 because tables I have created in master 1 only. So every day no need to create the database and all. So just come and work with it. Okay, use master 1 I am using. Now my database has been changed. So let me see the tables. Okay, what are the tables are available? Show tables is the command. Okay, show tables if you are doing, in that case you will see that T1 is available out here. Fine. So let us see what else is there. Okay, in T1. Okay, so what I will do, select star from T1. Fine. So select star from T1 if you are giving. So what is happening? It will show you the rest of the tables out here. So it doesn't matter that whether you give it in small letter or capital letter, doesn't matter. Okay, so you will be able to see this while giving the capital letter also. Doesn't matter whether it is appearing in small letters. So fine. So this is the list of records or the list of tuples has been printed. All right, that is the thing. Okay, so in this way, you can understand only how to display the records. Now I am coming to the alter and update, which was supposed to do today. That is the alter and update commands. Okay, alter and update commands that to be used in SQL, update and alter command. Fine. So first of all, I am coming to the update command. So this is, for example, in general, I cannot update in that way. I have to take help of a field which is having the uniqueness, which are unique in nature. So this is the primary key. So I am just changing the address of Rupam from Delhi to say Agra. Okay. So now what is happening? Update T1 set. Okay, address equals to what? Agra. Okay, where SID equals to what? 235. That has to be changed. Okay, so that I am giving out here 235. So in general, if I don't give where, then everywhere it will come as Agra. So that's why you need to give a particular criteria. So where the change will take place. Fine. So now pressing enter. So it has been changed. Okay, so how will you understand? Because here the indication is there, rows matched 1, changed 1. Okay, so you can understand it easily that it has been changed. So however, if you want to make sure, okay, just give this command select star from T1. You see that Rupam's address has changed from Delhi to Agra. So in this way, you will be able to change it. Okay, that is the thing. So now say for example, I want to change those who are living in Kolkata, their fees is 4,500. I want to change it into 5,500. Okay, so what I will do, update. Okay, T1 update table name set. Okay, set value set fees equals to what? 5,500. Okay, where address like, okay, like clause I will say this is a string. You can use the equal to also Kolkata. Fine. So I will enter it. So 3 rows has been affected. So let me check it first. Okay, select start 1. Okay, see that Kolkata, all the addresses is having the 5,500. All right, that is the thing. So in this way you will use the update command. Okay, so here the multiple records has been updated, and here only a single record has been updated with the help of this command. Okay, so for this for the Rajus only, but here the second command that I have used in update. Okay, this particular thing has been taken place here. So the multiple records has been okay, Kolkata, okay, Kolkata, fine. So that is the thing. Now you see out here what I am doing, count address is showing 3, okay, that is the thing. So in this way I have actually find out that how many addresses are there, but by manually also you can find out, but when the records are more in number, so in that case manual calculation is quite cumbersome. So that's why what you need to do is you can use the query in order to fetch, or you need to extract the total number of records in the similar manner, okay. So that is for a single single address, okay. So that is the thing. So update I had shown you. So update you can do it in different ways also, that is the thing. Say for example, whose age is less than 15 suppose, or equals to 15, their fees will be changed into say 1000, say, who are having the age of 15, that is the thing, their age will be changed into, their fees will be changed into 15, fine. So how to do that thing, okay. So just going to that update, select, I am coming to the select command once again, select count age. Say, let us see first how many ages are there, okay, how many age of that group, age group is there of 15, okay, how many people are there. So address, not here, it will be age, okay, age equals to 15, okay. So I will just simply, this is a numerical command, so no need to give numerical value, so no need to give anything, just I am giving this one 15 out here and then pressing enter, okay. So what is happening, there are 3 such things that may happen. So what I have decided, whose age will be equals to 15, their data will be changed into, their fees will be changed into 1000 rupees. So previously how much it was, actually those who are having the 15, you can see from here, it is 3500, in some places it is 2000 also. So I have decided that I will make it a fix of 1000 rupees, okay. So what I will do, update, okay, update table name, set fees equals to 1000, okay, fees equals to 1000, where age is equals to what, where age is equals to age is equals to 15, fine. So this criteria will change it. Update T1, set fees equals to 1000, where age is equals to 15. So all the 15 years group, they will have to pay only 1000 rupees, fine. So now I am pressing enter. So 3 rows have been affected so far, okay. So select, okay, select star from, I am just fetching the this thing, select star from whether the change has been taken place or not. I am extracting the record. Select star from T1 where age is 15, where age equals to 15 I am giving. So now you see out here, so yes, all are coming 1000 as the fees. So in this way the multiple updation is possible out here in this way, okay. Select star from T1 where age equals to 15. Yesterday I had given you a text file. In the text file also several updation process are there, so the multiple fields and all have been also shown. So please go through those particular file, so you will have an idea, okay. So how to do this thing. So these are actually the thing that we are doing up with this thing, what you call SQL, fine. So now what is here, select star from T1 where age equals to 15. What does it say? It is actually showing you the records, entire records. Why? Because I don't want to find out from the big list, I want to find out it nicely, okay. So I have just given this one, so it has only fetch out those particular records. So that is actually the utility of a criteria and a query, okay. So entire thing has not come, but only the things that I required, that has come. So now I am showing something interesting with the alter command. So description, first of all let us see the structure of the table, fine. Description T1 is showing you in this way, fine. What is this? It is showing you the primary key. Now I am showing you how to remove the primary key, okay, how to remove the primary key, fine, and to add it up, okay. So alter table I have to use, alter table name, alter table name. So T1, okay, drop primary key, just this command to be given, okay. Then what will happen, your these things will be deleted, okay. The primary key will be removed, okay. So primary key will be removed. How will you understand? Just give description again T1, so you will see that here the price is appearing, that no price will be there, okay. Similarly the same thing is happening, so the primary key has been removed, okay. So this is the way to learn the primary key to remove, and how to add the primary key. Then alter table, okay, T1 add primary key, primary key, what you need to give it in the bracket, you need to give it in the I'm extremely sorry. To give it in the bracket SID. Okay, just put it in the bracket and semicolon, and then you will see that it has been added. And how you will confirm? It is appearing out here pri. So now when I have done this one, then it is not appearing. Means it has been removed. The primary key has not been removed. Okay, but the thing is that when I have added this one, okay, this one has been added. So how would I confirm it? I have first of all query is fine, there is no problem, and then by using the description T1 over confirm. Okay, that is the thing. So it is again the primary key has been appearing. So that is the usage of the alter command. Okay, so now the thing is the description. So anytime anything if you want to remove, you can easily remove from here also by using the this thing, what you call, by using the alter command. So alter table T1 drop age, sorry, not drop age, I am altering fees, drop fees. So what I am doing, I am just removing the fees column. Okay, fees column. So fees column has been removed. How would you confirm? Again give the description. You know the description command, that is the describe command actually. Description also some places so you would say. Okay, so description actually gives the total structure of the table. So you see the fees is no longer over there. So however if you want to add the fees once again, so how would you do that? Okay, alter table T1 add, okay, fees, then just give integer. Okay, integer, if you want to give certain limit of it, you can give suppose say 6 digits of that particular field will have. Okay, 6 up to 6 digit it can accept, so you can do so. Alright, otherwise if you are giving just simply integer, it will come as 11. Fine. So that is the thing. So alter table T1 add fees integer 6, that will give you the simple thing. Okay, so that is the thing. So it will add up this particular field which I have removed a few seconds back. Okay, so now it is entering now this one, it has been added. How do you understand? Again the description command come into play. So that is the thing is happening. So description T1 if you give, you see the fees has once been added. Now it is not appearing 11 because I have given the width as 6, so anti 6 is there. Okay, now you see that the thing is that now what is the state of fees right now? Let us see once. Okay, so then we will have an idea. Alright, so let us see now how do you see select. Okay, select, okay, select star from T1. Okay, that will give you an idea. Okay, so what is the status of fees right now? So fees all are appearing null. Okay, now the thing is that I have a job to update right now. Say I will do it was update T1 set fees equals to say 2500, set equals to 2500 those who are living in Calcutta. Okay, where address like Kolkata. Okay, what is the thing? Address, sorry, equals to is not there, not required. Kolkata. Okay, Kolkata. Fine. So now you see out here Kolkata people will have the fees 2500. How would you understand? Again give the select star. Now see 2500 has been appeared for 3 records. Okay, that is the thing. So updating multiple updation is going on right now. Okay, so I've decided what now that I will update also for the Chennai people also, Chennai. Okay, so I'm just finding out this command. So the Chennai people will have to pay 4500. Okay, so CHENNAI Chennai, and here I will give it 4500. Fine. So 4500. All right. So enter. Okay. Now you check out once more. Okay. Select star from T1. You will see that Chennai people has got 4500. Similarly, for the Kolkata people I have done, Chennai people I have done. I have to done for the Delhi people also. Okay. Delhi people has to pay. Say for example, I have decided that they will have to pay 3500. Fine. So the 3500 you give. So if the 2 rows has been affected, that is as it's showing. So you see out here. So who all are left? Siliguri people. Siliguri people nothing much to pay. They have to pay only 2000 rupees since they are from the hometown. Okay, Siliguri. Okay, Siliguri. So you give it for the criteria. That is the advantage of having the practical. Okay, so you will have clear cut idea. So that is the thing. So now the Siliguri people also have edited with 2500. Okay, now let us check out once how to do these things. So just say this has been done. Now who all are left? Lucknow and Agra people have been left. Okay, so let us do the updation for them. So Lucknow people say, for example, Lucknow people wants to have LUCKNOW. Lucknow people will have the 6500. So putting this 6500 out here as well, and the people from Agra, it is actually say 4500. Okay, just do it here, Agra. Okay, that is the thing, Agra. Okay, so the data has been edited. Fine, that is the thing. So in this way, the updation has been taken place. T1, if you are giving, then in that case, what will happen? You will see everywhere the record has been edited. Okay, so now if you want to find out a range and also you can do it from that. Select, suppose you want to see select all the records. Okay, so all the details from T1 whose fees were fees between, say, 5,000 to 6,000, 5,000 and 6,000. Okay, that you want to see. If the records are there, it will be shown, otherwise it will show you empty set simply. Alright, that is the thing will happen. Okay, so here it is a bit wrong. Be careful about the while typing SELECT, the select command. Okay, it's a very important command in order to extract the data from a table. Alright, enter. Okay, so okay, fees, again the fees spelling is wrong. That's why I had told you that you need to be very, very careful while you are typing. That is the thing, is that sometimes we also make mistake. Okay, you know. So there it is showing empty set because no records are available. That is purposely I had done because no such record has been available. So I just change the range out here. I will just do it from 4,000. Let's see now how many data will be appearing. Yes, 4,000. There are four records are there. Even if you want to count that, that is also possible. Okay, select count. Okay, so okay, count fees. Okay, fees. Okay, from T1, select count fees from T1, that is I am showing you where fees between 4,000 and 6,000. Okay, so it is clearly showing you 4 and that has been confirmed from here also. So in this way, by using the count key, you also count the number of specific tuples. Okay, so that will say you that how many in total that is appearing. Alright, that is the thing is happening out here. Okay, so in this way you will use the command over here. Okay, that is very, very important for you and you must do it very nicely. Okay, so in this way you can do it. Alright, okay, thank you. So now let us see some other set of commands with this particular SQL. So this count and all we had seen out here. Okay, right now you see that how these things to be done. Okay, see this SQL count and all is I had demonstrated you. So some more things with the alter command right now. Okay, so first of all description that I am doing out here, description T1, that will show you the field. Very important command I am saying because it helps us to see the structure of a table. So now I am just altering. Say for example, I want to change it one by one right now. Okay, I want to change it from varchar to char. Okay, char 30. So how I will do it? Okay, so alter table, you see carefully it is given varchar 30. All right, so alter table, so alter T1, so alter table T1. Okay, and modify. Okay, modify. Okay, what? Modify address into what? Char, into char, and say I don't want to take 30, I will take 25 only. So once done, we will verify it also whether it has been change has been taken place or not. That is very important. Okay, so alter table T1 modify address char 25 has been given out here in order to change the type of the address field. So data type has to be changed out here. That is the purpose of the modify attribute which has been used in alter. Alright, so I am pressing enter right now. So it is showing me query OK 12 rows. That means it has worked. Okay, so query OK means no error has appeared. Okay, but still we need to confirm it. Okay, so how? The thing is that, just a minute. So what I will do for right now, I will just give the description. Okay, again here T1. Okay, and if I give description T1, then what will happen? It is showing me the similar things out here. The address has been changed into char 25. So that is the way to use the modify in order to change the data type of a particular field. So which was previously varchar, now it has changed into char. So that is the thing you need to understand these things. Okay, so that is why it is very, very important. So now let us see that from address I will change it to city. Okay, so I will this time I will rename the field actually which has been appearing as address over here. Okay, so now how could I do this? Okay, so this is very simple to do. Okay, as I had told you that this particular thing is very, very important. Okay, and we should you should do it. Okay, you should do it also practically. That is very, very important. Okay, so now you see out here. So what are the things? How would I do it? So what is the things? I will give it out. Alter table T1. Okay, alter table T1. Now the change attribute to be used. Okay, change address. Okay, address means this is the old field name that I will change into new field name, and city I have to give the data type this time. This time I am doing it with varchar, and then I am giving once again 30. All right. So I will change the field name from address to city. So let us see that how it could be done. Okay, so the query once again, you see again I am reading it out. Alter table T1, change address city to varchar 30. Fine, I am pressing enter. Okay, so query is okay. So though again we will just confirm it once again whether it is address 25 appearing in the previous case. Now it is appearing what? You can see out, yes, it has been changed. City varchar 30 has been changed. So in this way we can rename. So that's what we have learned today. So add, modify, change, add, modify, change also, and drop also, how to remove a column. Okay, that is the thing. So the drop command, drop attribute with the alter command has been used in order to remove a particular column or a set of columns. You can say if you are giving comma and all, then the particular thing will be removed. So this is actually the these are the things actually with the alter and update command. Okay, let us come to the little bit of general query right now. Okay, select star from I am doing select star from what? Select star from T1. Okay, so just showing once again this thing, what do you call this? Okay, so now a little bit of relational operator to be used out here. So I want to see those people name. Okay, name, select name from T1. Okay, whose age is more than 15. Okay, age is greater than 15. Okay, so that is the thing. I want to display their names. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, I have forgotten to give the select where. I forgotten to give the where. Okay, sometimes this time queries are also there where queries wrong queries will be given. You need to correct it. So one example is this one only. So where has been missed out from here. So where you give where, then Rupesh, Suman and Rupa is only appearing with which is having the more than age 15. They are having the more than 15 age. All right, so that is the thing. Okay, so Suman is, you can see out here, it is appearing here as 17. Fine, that is the thing. So in this way you will do the relational. Just close it, close the file by typing by over here. Okay, so this has been semicolon. Okay, so that has been taken. I will close it down, and again I am reloading it. All right, so that is the thing. So how I will reload? So here I will just give MySQL. Okay, MySQL. All right, and then MySQL command line client. Okay, then a password to be issued over here. So I am just giving my password. Okay, then I will use master1 where my table was. Okay, master1 semicolon. Okay, and now you will see the table. Show tables I will give. So if I forgot by chance, you cannot remember, show tables will give me the way out. All right, so now you see it is appearing T1. So select select star, very fundamental command, select star from T1, because when we learn SQL, that time first command we learned this one. Okay, select star from T1 in order to fetch the records. All right, so that is the thing is happening. So these are the things. So now some more things we will see with the relational operator. Say I want to display the records with the AND operator. Select, okay, select name comma age comma city. You can make your own query also from T1. Okay, T1. What is the criteria? Criteria is age greater than age greater than or less than 15. Okay, and city like Kolkata. Okay, city like Kolkata. All right, so if the query is correct, okay, no problem with that. But if no records are there, empty set will be appearing. I had told you before also. All right, so that is the thing. Okay, so where is the error? Where has been missed out once again. I'm very sorry. Where has been missed out. Okay, so where you have to give always before a criteria. So this is the criteria after the where clause, and this is the table name, and these are the list of columns. Okay, that's what. All right, in the query, yes. Anup, I have got certain things out here. That's why they are from Kolkata, and simply matching the query. This is the logical operator and the relational operator. Both have been used. Okay, so this is the one criteria, and this is the another criteria. City like Kolkata, and logical operator and has been used. So in this way, you can use the or and all. Okay, so if I just give the or and all, you will see that total scenario will change. Okay, or so in this case, what is happening actually when you put or over here, then what is happening? You know, the thing is that it is happening what? Or means what? Either of the criteria to be satisfied. Fine, either of the criteria, but here both the criteria has to be satisfied. That is the purpose of the AND. Okay, it is not like that you can give more criteria also, but whenever you are using AND logical operator, in that case what you need to do, you have to satisfy all the individual criteria, but here either of the one. Okay, so you just give it. Yes, so many people are coming, those who are city like Kolkata and all, because you see 13 Kolkata, this is okay, fine, but here the Chennai has also been printed, because in this case this one has been satisfied but not this one, but still one is true, that means everything will be displayed. That is the difference between OR and. All right, so now if you want to somehow I've been going back to the age, and suppose I want to I want to use the NOT operator out here. NOT means who all are satisfying this criteria, their records will not be displayed. That is the purpose of the NOT. Okay, it will simply negate. Okay, simply put the inverse thing over here. Okay, so you just put out here, so those whose age is less than 15 or they are in Kolkata, their record are not appearing out here. That is the purpose of NOT and all. Okay, that is the way you need to do. So this is the lot. So I have shown out here AND, OR and NOT out here. So that is the way. Okay, so these are the somehow the usage of the logical operators over here. Fine. So you have seen its uses and all, and try to use it in the different criteria. So last I'm showing you that within a certain range, again going back to the select star from T1. So within a certain range. Okay, so I'm using the between clause right now. Okay, I'm using the between clause. Select the usage of, see the usage of between clause. Select star, I'm giving select star from T1 where age between, okay, where age between what? Age between 13 and this is also the logical operator, 13 and say 16. All right, age between 13 and 16. So no need to bother, you just give the query, whether records will be available, fine, it will be displayed. Otherwise what will happen, empty set, this particular message will be displayed. That is the thing. Okay, so now you press enter, you see out here, so whose age is between 13 and 16, you can check out here, 13 and 16, only the 17 has been out. Okay, somehow if you want to count over there how many such records are available, you can do so. We are just coming to it. The count star, okay, that will do. Okay, sorry, count star you do, so then what will happen, your these things will be printed. Count star from T1 where age between 13 and 16. So total number of records manually if you calculate, then how many are there? Let's see once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Fine. So now you enter over here, select count star from T1 where age between 13 and 16. That will give you the total number of records that has been appearing into the table. So it is showing you 10. So here we had counted manually 10, and with the query also it is coming 10. So the query has been verified. All right, that is the thing. So this way you can use the count star also over there. So shown you the logical operator and the relational operator and the use out here. However, you can use the same query in this way also. Okay, you see that I am doing, just going back to the query, and where the age, now the same thing to be appearing. So you see the query will be different in structure, but it will give out the same output. So greater than or equals to 13 and here it is coming greater than or equals, it is actually 13 and age is greater than, less than or equals to what, 16. Fine. So now press enter, it will give you the identical result. You see out here, same thing has been appearing out here. Okay, clear. So that's what it is, very very important. Okay, if you want to add an alias over here or to the count star, you don't want the count star to appear. Okay, so you can give an as over here. So as clause you can give out, so that will give you an alias as total. Okay, suppose you are giving out a total. Okay, so total you give it in some small letter, so double quotes, and then press enter. So you see out here count star is appearing, now it is appearing as total. Okay, so the as clause can be used. Without the as clause also you can use it. Okay, how? You remove the as clause, that you will get the identical result. That is the usage of alias. Okay, same result, and this one also will give you the same result. Okay, you see out here, select, if you do, even if you don't give, when the single records are there, when the single things are there, okay, you may remove the quote also. Okay, you may remove the quote also. Press enter, it is just coming the same thing. Okay, however, well, remove the quote, but if it is a single word, no problem. But suppose you want to print total records, okay, total records, this particular thing. So the number of records has been increased in Alias, okay. So you give double quote out here. So you have to give either double quote or single quote within, okay. So as is not a matter. It matters that if it is a single word, nothing could be given, nothing. If you give, then also it will run. But when the number of words are increasing, in that case, even if you don't give as, but the total thing has to be enclosed within a pair of quotes. All right, that is the thing. You press enter, the total records it is showing out here. Okay, that is the usage of Alias also. So in this way, you will do the things. Fine. So that is actually the more or less I have shown you today whatever I have demonstrated today. So that gives you a clear cut idea about this SQL and the alter and update functioning, as along with the usage of the relational operators as such. Okay, that is the way you need to do. So I think it will be nice to see you all that you are doing practicals and all. Okay, and especially whenever you will do these queries and all, and you will get the outcome, you will be quite confident. Okay, that I must say, you will be quite confident regarding the things. Okay, so once again, how many records are there if you want to count? So how will you do? Select, okay, select count star. Okay, count, here you have to give what? Select count star from what? Count star from table T1. Okay, without any criteria, all the records. Okay, so there are 12 records. So the cardinality of the table is 12. Okay, that is the thing. So that is the total number of records that I had demonstrated. Fine. So that is the thing. So in this way, you will do it. All right. So that is very, very important for you as well. And these queries, what you have seen, okay, these are the types that actually comes in the exam, and if you could do it properly, I don't think so. You will. I don't think that you will have any problem in handling any types of any kind of query in MySQL. So in the other day, I will also show you the aggregate comments and all. That is very, very important. Okay, also. Okay, that also to be demonstrated. But count is also an aggregate comment only that gives you a single result. Okay, that is the thing is happening out here. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.